The North Carolina A&T State University Center of Excellence in Product Design and Advanced Manufacturing is engaged in research and educational initiatives to support innovative product design and advanced manufacturing in the Southeast United States and nationwide. The Center of Excellence in Product Design and Advanced Manufacturing is led by interim co-directors Dr. Robert Cobb and Dr. Salil Desai.
The Center of Excellence in Product Design and Advanced Manufacturing is poised to be a global leader for innovative solutions in the design and manufacturing of products, specifically with an inclusive consortium and a partnership with academia, industry, and the local community.
To achieve this vision, the center will build upon a history of success of major centers in the Southeast, uniting these resources and expertise into an effective regional and national resource. The goal of the Center of Excellence in Product Design and Advanced Manufacturing is to be a comprehensive resource for design, development, prototype manufacturing and testing, and characterization using innovative and cost-effective manufacturing technologies.
I think the greatest benefit of being part of the Center of Excellence is just learning.
The center will host innovative laboratories and classrooms that give students real-world, cutting-edge knowledge to design and create problems that solve many of the nation's challenges.
Technology is changing at a rapid pace, so being able to compete with other countries and other nations on a manufacturing level is important for centers like this to be able to start at a collegiate level.
Traditionally, the local economy has been with tobacco, textile, and furniture. With high-tech industries coming in and replacing those, we play a significant role.
Most recent event that I've come across is dealing with, if we've ever talked about the oceanic pollution problem that is starting to become very global in our world. So the center would be in the position to help design the marine vehicles that would move along the ocean dragging a net in order to try to collect the plastic that has been manufactured, that has been thrown into these oceans.
Advanced manufacturing is important to the nation and to the community as well because it provides a different insight into how technology can grow over time, but also improving the economy as well.
Research I'm working in this area is we are developing a direct ride hybrid platforms for manufacturing of electronic devices such as batteries, capacitors, strain gauge, and electronic sensors.
How do we prepare the stakeholders in order to start to think beyond the academics and beyond the technical? We got to get them more thinking about the global aspects of things, the global impact of things, and then how is it helping humanity?